Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you book back answers in English, that is for 7th standard, supplementary, that is from the term 1 children, okay, that is supplementary, taking the bully by the horns. So for the term 2 exam, that is for half yearly exam, you will get this supplementary and the, prose for you all, okay. This from the term 1 and from the term 2 and poem. So term 2 poem I've already given for you the book back answers. Now I'm going to give you the supplementary question answers, book back answers for you all children, okay. So I think all have the book with you all. Take your term 1 book, page number 162, okay children. Now choose, I'll just mark the choose for you all, take down. So for page number 162, choose the correct answer. First one, what is bullying? So the answer is C. When someone is hurt by others, either by words or actions, feels bad because of it and finds it hard to stop what's happening to them. So, A, choose. In that, first one is C, I said. Okay. And then the second one, what should you do if you are being bullied? So the answer is D, all the above. Okay. Then third, how do you recognize someone who bullies? Answer is C, behavior. They do something that hurts or harms another person. That is C. And the fourth one, what should you do if you see bullying? That is, for that answer is D. That is all the above. So first one C, second D, third C and fourth D. Okay children, now we all marked. Now we'll go to the B question answers. Okay. Now, B, answer the following. Answer the following children. Okay. So, first one, what could be the reasons for bullying? Okay children, so the answer is bullying is done for fun. Bullying is done for fun. Fun, to get a feeling of control, to get a feeling of control and attention of others, to feel strong and better about their shortcomings. Okay children, so take down in your classwork, this you have for your half yearly exam, so write neatly without making any mistakes and clearly so that you can understand easily for you to learn for your exam children. So take down in your classwork, okay. Then next is, why do some children bully others? Why do some children bully others? Answer, some children bully to make fun, enjoy seeing others suffer, to get a feeling of of bossing, to get a feeling of bossing, strength over others, strength over others, strength over others, and get others' attention, and get others' attention. Okay, children, this is the second question. Third, what does Ajay enjoy about bullying? What does Ajay enjoy about bullying? This is the third question. Fourth, what is empathy? Fourth, what is empathy? Answer is empathy means the ability to experience a feeling, the feeling of a person, in a situation, not as an onlooker, but as someone who is also experiencing the situation. Okay, children, this is the fourth answer. And now we'll go to the fifth one. How does bullying affect one? How does bullying affect one? Okay, children, answer. Bullying makes a person feel dejected. Okay, children, feel dejected, lose their self-confidence, then feel lonely, they don't eat properly, fall sick often, get nightmares, sleeplessness, okay, children, not interested to study, okay, not interested to study, show sudden anger, sudden anger, or they may bully someone just to feel better. Okay, children. So now this supplementary is over for you all. That is, choose is there. I already explained to you. Then question answers. Now next we will go to the prose, that is prayer to the teacher. Okay. So those who have finished, children, we have written this fully. Take down in your notebook clearly. Then we will go to the prose now. Next is prose. Write neatly in your notebook, children. Take down in your notebook, so that it will be easy for you all to learn for exam. Next is prose. That is prose, a prayer to the teacher, a prayer to the teacher. Okay, this is one. So take page number 142, children. So meanings are there. So I think all have the book. You can take page number 142. Meanings, mark it. This I am going to give you. Okay, page number 142 and 143. So all these 5 meanings you should be thorough. That is enslaved, made someone slave, commercial, money-minded, contemplate, think deeply about something. Then page number 143, bigotry, intolerance towards others with a different opinion. Then illuminated, light up. Okay, children. Next we will go to the page number 145. Page number 145. In that is, see the match the suitable prefix and suffix. Match the suitable, that is prefix and suffix. Okay, children. So you have to match and write. That is, first one already given there. Form. See a form. That is con is there. So you have to prefix and suffix. Con, firm. Okay, you have to match. So you have the, that is patriot is given diverse, slaved, animate, consumer and naked. So how will you write? So patriot means patriotism. Okay, patriotism. You have to match it, children. Then next is diverse, that is diversity. Then next slaved, enslaved, that is in patriotism. Then animate, inanimate. Okay, children, inanimate, that is. The next is consumer, consumerism. Consumerism. The next is the naked, that is nakedness. Okay, children, did you understand? You are going to match it. Okay. So next is a B. Okay. Next is B. Refer to your dictionary, add a prefix or suffix to the following words and find their antonyms. So how will you? I'll give you as a antonyms. Okay. For exam, it will be given as the antonyms for you. Okay. That is privilege, unprivilege. Okay, unprivilege. Then next, what is the question? Animate. So what will you get? Yes, inanimate. Inanimate. Then third, what is that? Discriminate. Indiscriminate. Indiscriminate. Okay, children. Then fourth, empty, unempty. Unempty. Okay, children. Then this is the antonyms for you. Okay. Communicate, miscommunicate. communicate. Then next for you, learn, okay, unlearn. So these is the antonyms for you, okay. So next take page number 146, page number 146. So in that, see here, listen to the story and fill in the blanks by selecting the right option. So your side heading will be fill in the blanks with the right option. So Raja was upset as he had done dash in his English test. So two options is given, well, poorly. So what will be the answer? Poorly. So in that dash you have to write poorly. So fill up with right option. Okay. This will be your side heading. So first one is poorly. Two options given, children. Next, his grandmother gave him a dash. Pen or pencil? Yes, pencil. Then third, Granny compared dash with the pencil. That is, answer is Raj. Raj and Ravi both they have given. So the answer you have to underline is Raj and you have to write the answer there, okay. Next, Raj's pain of not doing well in his test was compared with dash of pencil. That is sharpening, okay. Sharpening of pencils. Then the fifth one is Raj understood that failures are stepping stones to success climbing. Two options are there. So the answer is success. Okay, children. Till here, did you understand? Okay. This and all is important for your exam, children. Learn. Then next, see page number 150. This that is CF there. Read the following sentences carefully and underline the preposition. This I have already given in your classwork. Already when I took the lesson, this grammar I explained to you and wrote on the board also. I think everybody has written in your classwork. Just once again I will read out. Just say it. Julian placed a lunch box inside a bag. So what will you underline? Inside. Next, Vinodini left the house before sunrise. Answer is before. Ben saw Daisy playing across the road. So what will you underline, children? Across. Then Hema keeps all her teddy bears on top of her wardrobe. So what is what you have to underline? Yes, top. The preposition is top. Divya hid the sweets behind her back. So what is it there? Behind. Then Sudha fell over during the basketball match. That is over. Madhusudan checked to see if his keys had fallen underneath his chair. So what is it? Underneath. Then Mrs. Meena asked the children to go into her classroom. What is that? Into. After lunch, the children were allowed to play. So what is that underline? After. Then Saravanan climbed onto the horse. So what will you underline, children? Onto. So I'll just write down what you have underlined. Just page number 150. So the first one is, that is, underline the preposition. Underline the preposition. First one, inside. Second, before. Third, across. Fourth, top. Fifth, behind. Sixth, over. Seventh, underneath. Eight, into. 9, after. 10th, onto. Okay, children. So this you have to be ready with this. You have to learn for your exam. Take down in your notebooks, children. Next we have question answers. In the next class, I'll give you the question answers. Okay, there are 8 question answers, I think. So all the 8 question answers you have to write in your classwork and learn, children. Okay, thank you.